Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tor and Nyx, and we are back and ready for another adventure today. Where are we gonna go today?
We're going to
Adventure Island.
Adventure Island.
All right, we'll see you guys there, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you smack it? Smack the camera? Today. Okay, we need to find out where we are on the map. All right, it says we're right here. We've got all of this to explore, you guys. Oh my goodness. Somebody's already just chilling in the... Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It looks like there's some really cool stuff for us to do here. Paradise Lagoon. A fun little area here. Vanish Point. Ooh, I wonder if Nyx is big enough for the solar vortex. Oh, there's a splash pad here. Okay, so we need to get the lockers right here, I think. Because it's right by the splash pad. Your hair! Is it floating away? All right, little one, let's go. A tube and we put Nyx's life jacket on, so we are going to go hop in. Hey baby, hey, chill. We're gonna go hop in the lazy river now and float around for a bit. Are we gonna be lazy in the lazy river?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, let's go find where we can get in. Are you floating? guys, that was the lazy river. It was epic.
What?
Did you like the lazy river?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was super awesome. We're gonna go check out, what should we do next? I think we're gonna go check out the kids area over here and run around and play in this. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Like a bacon cheeseburger. Nyx got some chicken nuggets. So we're just waiting for our food and we're gonna chow down. I'm quite hungry. We've worked up a bit of an appetite, huh? You hungry? Some chicken nuggets? What? She's eating eyes. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully they'll call our food soon. Okay, we just sat down. We got our food. I got a bacon cheeseburger with some french fries. Nyxie got some chicken nuggets with some french fries. Are they good? Yeah. So we're gonna eat real quick. Got some lemonade. I got me a adult beverage. And we're gonna just enjoy the food and enjoy the view. We're gonna go nom now. We're gonna go get some dip dots? Dippin' dots. Let's go.
Looks like they're open.
Which one do you want, baby?
I want the rainbow one right there.
Oh, the rainbow ice?
Yeah.
That's a good choice. You want the rainbow one?
Yeah, not that one, but the one always right there.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Say rainbow ice, please.
Rainbow ice, please.
All right, you guys, that was it. We are gonna go ahead and head out. We've been having so much fun here at Adventure Island today. We had a blast. If you guys can make it up here, highly recommend it. Super fun for the whole family. What did you think, baby?
Good.
Did you like it? You had fun? You wanna come back? Yeah? Okay. All right, say goodbye, everybody.